Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your push golf shot. A push occurs when your ball starts right of the target and stays there, without curving. This frustrating shot often stems from a combination of an open club face at impact and an overly inside-out swing path. We'll dive into understanding these causes and provide clear, actionable steps to get your ball flying straight towards your target. The main culprits behind a push shot are usually an open club face at impact and an overly inside-out swing path. Imagine your club traveling too far from the inside, then hitting the ball with the face pointed right. Another common issue is a lack of proper body rotation, which prevents you from naturally squaring the club face through the hitting zone. Understanding these mechanics is the first step to correction. To fix your push, try some targeted drills. First, focus on squaring the club face at impact. Imagine it pointing directly at your target. Next, work on a more neutral swing path. You can place two alignment sticks about 3-5 inches apart just outside and inside your ball to create a gate for your club. Finally, ensure your body, especially your hips and shoulders, rotates fully through the shot. Sustaining your fix requires consistent practice and attention to detail. Dedicate time to reinforce the new movements. Use alignment sticks not just for path drills, but also to check your setup and ensure you're aiming correctly. Instead of overthinking mechanics, try to focus on the feeling of a square club face at impact and a balanced finish. This approach will help you ingrain the correct habits for straighter shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.